Finding love can be tough, especially for young women. With so many societal expectations and pressures surrounding relationships, it's no wonder many of them are struggling to find meaningful connections. Societal pressures are huge. From a young age, women are bombarded with images of perfect relationships, perfect partners, and even perfect weddings. The idea is that we must find our Prince Charming, settle down, and live happily ever after. But what if that is not what we want? What if we want something more or something different? The pressure to conform can be overwhelming, and it can be hard to know what we truly want when everyone around us is telling us what we should want. Add to that the unrealistic expectations that come with modern dating. Thanks to social media, everyone's highlight reels make it seem like everyone else is in a perfect relationship except us. We compare our behind the scenes moments to everyone else's edited filters, applied photos, and wonder why we don't measure up. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that we need to find someone who looks perfect, acts perfect, and has the perfect Instagram feed. And then there is technology. Online dating apps have made it easier than ever to swipe through potential partners, but they have also made it easier to objectify people and treat them like commodities. We are reduced to a photo and a brief bio, and it's easy to forget that there is a real person on the other end of that screen. It's no wonder that many young women are finding it hard to form genuine connections in this digital landscape. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are many factors at play that contribute to the challenges young women face in finding love. One major factor is self esteem issues. When we don't love and accept ourselves, it's hard to find someone who truly loves and accepts us for who we are. We attract people who reflect our own self worth, and we don't think we are worthy, we are going to attract people who treat us poorly. Fear of vulnerability is another major hurdle. We have been taught to be strong, independent, and self sufficient, but that can make it hard for us to open up and be vulnerable with someone else. We are scared of getting hurt, or being rejected, or of being seen as weak. But vulnerability is where the deepest connections are made, and it is hard to find love if we are not willing to take that risk. And then there is social media. It's hard to escape the constant comparisons and the feelings that everyone else is more successful, more popular, and more in love than us. We feel like we need to present a perfect image online, and that can make it hard to be authentic and genuine in our relationships. We are so worried about what other people think that we forget to focus on what really matters, finding someone who loves and accepts us for who we truly are. But here is the thing, self love is key. When we love and accept ourselves, we start to attract people who truly love and accept us too. We start to see our worth, our value, and our beauty, and we stop setting for people who don't see it too. We start to focus on what really matters, building a deep connection with someone who shares our values, our passions, and our interests. When we understand our own worth, we start to see that we don't need someone else to complete us. We are already whole, already enough, and already worthy of love, regardless of our relationship status. And that is when the real magic happens. That is when we start to attract people who truly love and accept us, and that is when we start to build meaningful connections that last. So, what's stopping young women from finding love? It's not that they are not trying hard enough or that they are not good enough. It is the societal pressures, the unrealistic expectations, and the influence of technology that make it hard for them to find genuine connections. But by focusing on self love, self acceptance, and true vulnerability, we can overcome these obstacles and find the love we truly deserve. Thanks for watching, and I would love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think is stopping young women from finding love?